Wow, what a wonderful afternoon Levi and I spent together at a local nature reserve. I've moved home again, so I'm still figuring out the new places, the hotspots for wildlife and good places for, just to sit quietly in nature. And I found this little place. It's fantastic. It's got so much potential, and I'm looking forward to returning here over the next few months at the different seasons. I'm hoping to get to know the rhythms of the wildlife that live around here, and and I make these films because I really enjoy going back and reliving the moments that I had out there. And you also tend to pick up so much detail, like, oh look, there's a jumping fish, or there's just so many little details that you can come back to and visit when you make these films. So I do enjoy doing it, and I do enjoy sharing it with everyone else who enjoys my films. And so I'm back. I'm gonna try to keep this up and keep it going again. I'm feeling more energized, and with the season changing, autumn on its way, I think it's going to be a great time to kick off again and keep this going. So beautiful afternoon. I hope you enjoy the film.